Hello everybody, today is week five of cleaning. Now, I thought doing this would make my day so much better, and it has. My bathroom has been cleaned ever since I cleaned it. My stairs going downstairs have been cleaned ever since I cleaned it. I've been keeping like things decluttered. The only thing that's a nonstop that never ends is the kitchen, which I'm just gonna have to deal with that. And my kitchen table, I have to deal with that. But with everything else, you know, my husband's like, oh, I like it when you come home and find the house clean, or when he comes home and he finds like an item of the day, you know, cleaned. And I do want to get there. But I should have started this series probably after Christmas when I'm not so crazy busy. But today I keep saying I want to do this and I want to do it, and I really do. It's on my list. I just have to have energy to do it. I had a sick child over the weekend, so it was really, I had like no energy. But today I'm going to kind of work on my craft stuff today. That is my decluttering or chore of the day. I had 10 Etsy orders that I had to mail out this morning. I had, I think, 6 or 7 on Saturday that I mailed out. There was no mail on Friday, so like I have Etsy orders like crazy. I'm constantly always busy working on stuff, but I want to get ahead again. So today I'm gonna kind of work on cleaning this mess right here. So this is where I keep like my papers and stuff, and my husband's like, get this crap out of here. So today I'm gonna work on this. I also have to cut some paper. I'm gonna kind of declutter some of this stuff too, but this is my work area and it's kind of bad. And then I just got some drawers here, which this helped a lot because otherwise I had stuff piled on, but I'm just going to kind of work on that. So that is what is today's project, is cleaning my craft area. I also have to write thank you cards. I handwrite thank you cards for every single order that I do, but my pile's dwindling down, and usually I spend about an hour writing thank you cards, and I did that a couple weeks ago. So today I'm going to spend 1 hour writing thank you cards. Then I have these 100 envelope challenges that I sell, and I sold 4 of them over the weekend, and these take about an hour to make. So my goal today is to have at least 3 or 4 of these trimmed up, ready to go. So that is another project I need to work on today. I also have to paint my cat ornaments. I painted a bunch of them the other day and ran out of time. And so now I have about 30 of them to paint. I got another pile just as thick as this one. So I have to paint those rose gold today. So that is what I need to do, is work on that stuff. So yeah. That stuff never ends, but I just need to have a dedicated day where I'm not focusing on other things, and I work on that. So that is what today's shift is going to be, or today's project is going to be. My daughter is still not feeling great. She actually fell asleep, so I'm just going to kind of just sit down and either write some thank you cards, but I think I'm just going to sit on the couch because I never get to sit on the couch and watch a movie. And I'm just going to start trimming a pack of these real quick so I can just kind of get that started. And then when she wakes up, then I can move over here and start cleaning up. So that is what I'm going to do today. I still need to clean my dresser. I still need to organize my closet, like where my shelves are. And I still want to organize my closet in my bathroom. So that is stuff that I eventually do want to do. I also want to clean my cabinets and mop my floors. Like, I clean the countertop, I wipe all that stuff down, but I just want to like do a thorough cleaning. I am having a Christmas party in like a month actually. So I have, you know, I have to get really cleaning, and you'll see that week. That week will be a really good week because I'll be cleaning like crazy. But I also never got a chance to email that company my Amazon review, so I need to do that. And we don't put our Christmas decorations up until after the weekend of Thanksgiving. So yeah, so I'm going to be busy over the next couple weeks, and I have my craft fair in 3 weeks. My craft fair is in 3 weeks, and I haven't done anything except make mugs, so I have to like really dedicate myself for that too. So that's what I'm working on today. And then later this week, I also have laundry. For me, doing the laundry, how I've been doing it, I've been catching up on it. Right now I have 3 loads of laundry washed. It's just sitting in the baskets ready to put away, but I think I will work on that tomorrow night when I watch my show. My husband's home, so then he can kind of keep an eye on the kids and I can finish the laundry. So I plan on finishing my loads of laundry today. So then I only have like one load to literally work on every couple days because I was so far behind, it was ridiculous. So that's what's going on. So I will keep you guys updated on how my craft stuff is doing, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello everybody, so today is day 2 of my weekly cleaning video, and yesterday I did work on some of my stuff, but then I got so tired I like laid down and then I had zero energy, nothing. I needed like some kind of caffeine or something, and we had like nothing in the house. But I did work on some of my stuff. I did get rid of the boxes and the paper that I needed to go through. My kids just keep throwing stuff down here, but I did organize it a little bit. I did bring it downstairs, so I feel like I got some done. I'm gonna work on it some more today. I do have 4 Etsy orders that I have to work on, and 3 of them are the 100 envelope challenges, so I have to work on that stuff. I do have 3 loads of laundry to put away today, so I have them all laid out on the bed upstairs. So later tonight I'm gonna put all that stuff away, and then I am gonna work on some other stuff, but I am gonna start slacking a little bit on my weekly cleaning. Number 1, Thanksgiving's in a week. Number 2, my craft show is in 2 weeks, and I don't hardly have anything made. I got a lot of other stuff made, but I really need to start like cracking down and making some stuff. So I'm gonna kind of take it easy peasy, but I do want to take my closet apart. So maybe tomorrow, if I have energy, I'm gonna probably do it. If I can get a lot of my crafting stuff done today, especially the stuff that I need to get done, then I'm gonna work on it definitely tomorrow. So I will keep you guys updated on what I work on today. Otherwise, if not, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so I've been slacking big time on my weekly cleaning, but you know what? Life is more important than cleaning. So what I am doing right now is I'm kid-free for a whole 40 minutes, and I wanted to get stuff done upstairs, but I just don't have time to do it. I'm hoping to do it tomorrow, but right now I'm actually working on cleaning my living room, my kitchen. I'm putting things away. I went Christmas shopping, so I'm putting some of that stuff away. My kids put garbage everywhere. I'm throwing that stuff away. My in-laws will be here soon too. So I'm just kind of just getting stuff clean. I mean, my house isn't like super bad like what it was. I mean, my floor is actually pretty decent. I'm just picking up a couple things, but this is what I plan on doing. I have a movie on in the background. I'm watching the Santa Claus because I love that movie, but I'm just gonna say I'm working on cleaning, getting stuff done. But next week I will not have time to do a weekly cleaning video, so you will see a week gap in my schedule because with Thanksgiving coming up and my craft fair, I am just need to focus on that stuff and still do my regular thing. But I will come back to more cleaning probably in a week or so. So that's what I'm working on today, and if I work on my closet, which I'm fingers crossed, I will continue finishing this video. So if this is the end of the video, we will see, but I'm gonna continue picking up some more stuff.